Welcome back to the Flutter UI mystery series. In the previous video, we understand wrapper, which provides the structure of screen. Today, we are going to learn one of the most used widgets in Flutter, and that is the container widget. Almost every Flutter UI you see use container widgets. Okay. So first of all, what is container? Container is a box model widgets in Flutter. It is used to add spacing, set widget and height, add background color, add borders, add shadow, control, alignment. Think of container as a design box that helps us build UI elements. So first of all, we see a simple basic example. So go to our body section. Okay, so create simple here containers. Give height width, and give some color. Okay, so this is the container widgets. This is basic container widgets example. Okay. Now what is this methods identify for width is used to container widget, with height is used for height, and color is used for background colors. Okay. Now adding some child widget for these things. Okay. So here we do extend, use child, and provide some center. Okay. Some hello world. What was the here? Okay. See, it goes to the center. Okay. Now also we use some style for it. Style, text style, color white. Okay. Also then we make some more width. Okay. One is perfect. So this is container usually all other widgets. Okay. In container and provide with child level use our other widgets. Okay. Also you can use a column, row, any other widgets. Container can wrap a child widgets useful for layout control. Now we also set a margin and padding for that particular container. Okay, so simply we disable this height width. Okay, okay, because it's column, so it's 2 by 4 width. Okay, we give some specific. Okay, now use padding. Give some padding like 20. Okay. Padding means here is padding text and container folder start with enter spaces padding. Okay. All means occupy from top, left, bottom and right. You can set as per your requirement using syncretic, horizontal 5, vertical 10. Okay. Also you want to set as per specific side and check with only, like top 10, left side 5, right side 20, bottom side 40. Okay. Now we set all or now. Okay. So this is okay. Now what is margin? Margin is used to give some space to start of the container before it start here. Okay. And it is used for space outside container. Okay. Give some margin. Margin. Instant 10. Okay. Give 10 0 is layout. Go to the up because upper. We just provide margin 20. Okay. Padding inside spacing, margin outside spacing. Okay. So these things. Now also provide one of the useful is alignment widgets. Alignment widget we can use alignment dot enter we can set bottom left. Okay, other things. Okay, so we set center, do center. Okay, now we move to the box decoration. Okay, we use here box decoration. Okay, so simply use box decoration. Okay, when you use box decoration, that time never use this color here. You can use inside box decoration always. Okay, both provide color properties, so it's going to change it. That time use inside box decoration and not here, otherwise it's going error. Okay, now we use something like border radius. BorderRadius. I set period 10. It's coming to the with border. Here is showing border. Okay. Okay. So decoration is styling is control and border radius is rounded corner. Okay. Now we update this border. Okay. Simply have the border and inside border dot use all. Okay. Inside we provide a color specific like colors dot black or provide this width like 2. Okay. If you change the width, it okay, okay, okay. Provide width. Okay, by default is not, but you can set as per your requirement too. Okay, or you can change color as per this here, like that. Okay, orange. Okay, so this is in preference. Okay, now we go to the when we need to set a shadow for here. Okay, simply we already do with the decoration here inside the color, border radius, and give a border. So simply is another parameter is BoxShadow. Inside we provide a list of BoxShadow. First over here BoxShadow. Inside we have our colors provided here. Color radius around 6. Then the offset 0. Okay. Okay. Now here is showing the shadow here. Yes, so simply if you can see this is comment down here and say okay. Here is no any box shadow when we uncomment this and save there is showing shadow. Okay, there is showing shadow. Okay, now also we can set a gradient. Okay, and this is our box decoration. Inside that we do everything that is showing in our control. Okay, simply use a gradient inside linear gradient. Okay, need to provide list of colors. Okay, so simply use colors blue and then we use colors dot purple. See, it's showing two colors. Okay, this is blue and this is purple. You can set multiple colors. Okay, here we set two. You can also set another color like some sand blue. Okay, there is no limitation. Okay, you can set it for your requirement. So we can set the purple here. Okay, but only these two color is looking like good. Okay, and here is there is only property like time, stores, colors, center, what is the begin and end. Okay, so we set the begin. Simply use alignment, set top right, okay. Now we change top right to bottom right, okay. See, you can set as per your things, top left, okay. So this is basic things to create a gradient, okay. So this is things, okay. So provide a height, width, shading, margin, elements, and provide decoration in views, color, border radius, border, BoxShadow, how to make gradient background for our container, okay. Now you understand the container widgets completely. In the next video we will explore padding widgets and understand why it is better than container in many outs. Okay.